Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video of Rowenta X-Plorer S95 Total Care Connect RR7987WH robot vacuum cleaner. Regarding its power and performance, I can say that it effectively cleans the floor from dust and dirt. This robot vacuum supports smartphone connectivity via an application, allowing you to control it from anywhere and adjust cleaning modes and schedules. However, for this you will need internet access and a good Wi-Fi signal nearby, or it will switch to autonomous cleaning mode. The Rowenta X-Plorer Series 95 navigation system uses intelligent navigation to avoid obstacles and efficiently clean all floor areas. As for air filtration, it is equipped with a highly efficient filtration system that cleans the air from dust and allergens, making it an ideal choice for allergy sufferers. However, direct contact with allergens will occur when emptying the dustbin. By the way, it's packed quite nicely. Regarding its noise level compared to other Rowenta X-Plorer Series 95 robot vacuum cleaners, it's known for its quiet operation, allowing you to use it even at night without discomfort. But I recommend connecting it to your phone first, as it might become an unexpected visitor to your room during sleep. Set it up before turning it on. As for sensors, you can wipe them with a damp cloth once a week for better vacuum performance. This vacuum cleaner has 4 power models: Eco, Standard, High and Automatic Boost, which can be directly controlled via the app, ensuring efficient cleaning without extra effort. But in the instructions, it's recommended to clean the brush, filter, charging contacts and sensors weekly, wheels and side brush monthly, and empty the dustbin after each cleaning. So cleaning the brush immediately after cleaning is advisable, especially for people with long hair, as it tends to get tangled. The side wheels are rubber, while the central is plastic. As for cleaning, I will tell you more about it later, after using it more. The silicone brush with bristles is for pet hair, the silicone brush is for collecting long hair, and the fluffy brush is for collecting fine debris. In the package, you will find 3 different microfibers: green for fine dust and allergens, red for pet hair, and blue for daily cleaning of fine dust. I can't say much now about wet cleaning because I haven't used it. Regarding part replacement, it's recommended to replace the filter and side brushes twice a year, and the brushes, 3 of which are included in the package as needed. If you see any damage, you should buy a new one. The power supply is 24 volts and 1 amperes, totaling 24 watts. Regarding the placement of the base, you unfold it and look at the back to see how to place it. More specifically, it's half a meter from corners of your house, and it needs about 1.5 meters to detach from the base. When it starts, it seems to push away. I will tell you more about the vacuum cleaner later, once I have used it more and have more experience to share with you. Thank you for watching.